Here at Jaguar, quality is not just about delivering expectations, it's about delivering beyond expectations.
Okay, going to do the vehicle inspections?
Safety.
Yeah, okay.
We want to ensure our vehicles obviously operating in some of the severe markets around the world. In Russia, for example, the temperatures can get very cold. We need to make sure there's no detrimental effects. So -40 is regularly used here to make sure that it will survive these harsh conditions.
Here in the water test facility, we deliver 1,500 gallons of water over the vehicle over a 2.5-hour period. That's equivalent to approximately a third of an Olympic-sized swimming pool of water. During the test, we go through a number of different angles. There's 12 angles in total. The engineers that are in the car will be checking for leaks. This is to iron out any issues before the cars go into production. This is the only articulating facility within Europe. There's no other manufacturer that I know does a test to the same standard as we do. Quality is key. Our customers expect it, and we deliver it.
Quality is better than value for money. Quality is just never being disappointed.
In terms of temperature and sunlight exposure, one of the parts we do focus in on is the dashboard topper directly underneath the windscreen. We test it up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit just to make sure that under extended heat exposure it will be fine in the markets that we sell our vehicles to.
Here in the wind tunnel, we can actually drive the vehicle at 130 miles an hour on the four-wheel drive dynamometer. We can actually simulate a vehicle that's driving out of somewhere like Death Valley and up into the mountains to do a bit of skiing and actually see the extremes that we push the vehicle to over that climb. We then take the vehicles out into the real world. The data that we actually achieve from the vehicle is actually fed back into the system so they can do the virtual reality testing for future models.
Passion to get the best for our customer. That's what it's all about. In terms of craftsmanship, we pride ourselves on taking the best people to do an excellent job, especially with veneers and the leather trimming. We use European hides, Scottish hides, areas that take pride in looking after their beasts because the animal husbandry is paramount to having the very best quality leather.
But there is something different about sitting in a Jaguar. It's a high quality experience, but it's also a very passionate experience. It's not just perfectly finished, it feels different. And that's not luck, that's in the factory, that's how we build it. As the vehicle travels through the manufacturing process, it travels with a vehicle history card, which is its history, but also the history of the people that added value to that product. And people understand that when they put their name on the vehicle history card, they're taking accountability.
Quality means to me being able to send the perfect car out to the customer. One of our mantras is pass no defect forward, and it encourages the operators on the line, if they spot something, to flag it up straight away, so you're looking at every single part of the car multiple times.
It's a very proud environment. The people that we employ on our manufacturing lines, the people we employ to check that premium has been put into the process, these are people that have been working with Jaguar for years. They can feel the quality, they understand the quality, they know what we're looking for.
I've got a keen eye, yeah. I've been doing the job now over 30 years, and the experience I've got within the eye and the hand feeling, yes, I've definitely got the feel there.
Quality has to be paramount. The vehicle has to be 100% correct when it leaves this shop. I am the last person to see the vehicle before it's handed over to the customer. It has to be right.
Yeah, so it's not just one thing that makes the perfect car. It is thousands and thousands of little things that go together to make the perfect car.
There's good enough and there's better. And we have to go for better constantly.